So here we are, and I don't know if you can see her, but there she is right there, way down in these woods. Brought the sheet down because we thought we could coax her down the tree to jump, but you can see where she is, way up there. Can you hear her? Kitty, kitty. So this is why nobody wants to come here and try to save this cat, because we are absolutely in the middle of nowhere in these woods. Difficult to get to. The terrain is just terrible. So I don't think she's going to jump. So our idea is to notch the tree out, cut it, and let it start tipping, and hopefully she'll walk down the tree as it leans over, instead of trying to come down the tree backwards. We'll see how that goes.